Good morning to all of you. Today we are going to see last chapter from unit first, that are the utilization of a various purpose. Water utilization at a various purpose. We have know that a water are utilized at a different purpose by the country, that means agriculture, industry or the human beings. First see the utilization. Water is a primary natural resources of basic needs of human. Precious nation assets. It is the one type of assets through as a many business industry and the working has been developed. The water may be used as a various task, everything from personal hygiene to the vast national water projects. The significance of water increasing with a tremendous increase in a population. We need a water at a drinking purpose, personal hygiene, domestic consumption, irrigation, industrial purpose, generation of a hydrological power station, transport, recreation. The average annual water availability of country that at 1869 is a billion cubic meter, that is a BCM. On this totally utilizable water resources are assessed that at 1123 BMC. The surface water is 690 BCM and groundwater there is 433 BCM, that means a billion cubic meters. The per capita of availability water of national level has been reduced about the 5177 cubic meter in 1951. To estimate the level of a cubic meter in 2012, it is variation availability in different river basins. There are the many ways use of our waters. Partly why to the important of we can conserve our water is our precious resource. Water is a vital process or the vital component of life. Human, plants, animals and the many mostly water, all living things would die if it were not for the many of them other things. The average of American uses around 150 to 250 gallon of water daily. Even more water are used by industry, generate the electricity, manufacturing things, transporting peoples and the products. Then hydrological electrical plants are the largest user of water. Hydrological electric plants are capture the kinetic energy of a falling of water and make electricity. They do this with a dam. The dam are the forces the water level to go up, and that water will be a more power when falling on the dam. The dam forces of water level go up. The forces will be a falling water pressing against the turbines blades causes of them and to spin, and the spinning turbines transmit kinetic energy falling water to generator, and the generator spin, and when turbine spin generating electricity, that will be transmitted to the power lines and to homes and the business. Of all electricity of the world, about 20% is generated by hydropower stations. About 10% of all electricity of United States are provided by hydropower. Hydropower generating prevent a lot of pollution. Hydropower generating a clean does not leave the waste, and because of electricity generated by hydropower, the amount of oil and the coal will be needed to produce enough electricity will be reduced. It prevent the need of the burn about 22 million billion gallons of oils or 120 millions of coal of each year. So that hydropower station basically choose of any country for the generation of electricity. Then domestic water need. What are the domestic water needs? Per capita consumption of water shows a wide variation in USA. In average family, 4 consume more than the 1000 million cube water per year, which many more than the most of the developing country. With a growing population, demand of a good quality fresh water steadily increasing, but availability of dwindling because the misuse of wastage and the pollution. The World Health Organization current estimates show that a water consumption will have cut off 50% by 2025 if nation fails to address imbalance global water supply and demand. Then problem excessive use of groundwater, lowering water tables. Excessive more amount we can use, then what problem will be arises? The first problem, that is the lowering in a water table. First, excessive use of groundwater, drinking, irrigation, domestic purpose has a resulting rapidly depletion of a groundwater table, leading to drying as well as a sharp decline in future agriculture production. Then ground subsidence. When groundwater withdraw from more than the recharge rate, sediment in the aquifers become compact, causing the ground subsidence. It is a result of a sinking, overlaying land surface, which may be a damage building, cause fracture, pipe, rivers, and the flow of sewers, canals, and the tidal flooding. Then waterlogging. Excessive irrigation with a brackish water raises the water table and leading to waterlogging salinity problems. Then over exploitation water resources. Over exploitation. If you use over exploitation water resources, what will be happen? Water is a vital natural resources and precious commodity essential for multiple purpose. Human being depends on water for almost development of activity. Out of 30% stream flow, water consumed by man is a 8%. For the irrigation, 2% for the domestic, and the use for the industry, 4% consumption, and 12% for the electricity, and 4% for the transportation and the waste disposal. Water is the shape of the earth's surface regulate our climates. Water exploitation. What happen when water will be exploitation, or the exploitation will be leads to the water is a vital natural process. We have see that water used by man of two types. Which are two types? Water withdraw by using the groundwater, surface water, with a rapid growth population. Many countries now using the desalinated sea water as a potential of a source of supply of potable waters in a scarcity. Heat regions, desalination may be a accompanying processes such as distillation, freezing, electrolysis, reverse osmosis. Water consumption, that is the water which taken up but not a return for the reuse. Globally, only 60% of water withdraw and consumed due to loss of through evaporation. Then water consumption major sectors. We have to know that a different sector water will be a consume or the use. The better is a irrigation. Irrigation, agriculture sector, the major consumer 93% of water in India. While the country like Kuwait, water is for 4%. For the watering of crops, global average is 70% water withdrawal with irrigation. Then first there is the irrigation. For the agriculture purpose, irrigation are needed. So in case there we can use by human that are the water. Then industry are second most proposable things after the agriculture that use the water. About the 20% 25% of water of global average used in industry, which again varies from 70% of European country and 5% in less developed countries. Then power generation. In India, power generation require about 50 times more water. 2012 than is was a 1974 thousands. Okay, that is nothing but the water utilization by human by different purpose, maybe agriculture, industry, or a power plant. Okay, here unit number first from credit 2 has completed. If you have any doubts related that, please comment below the section. Okay, thank you.